everyone, welcome back. So from title you guys know today I'm doing a collaboration video with Melinda from Luxe Purse Lover, and I'm so thrilled that she can do this collaboration video with me. I believe a lot of you already know her channel and she's a big YouTube. And she has an amazing collection for the luxury handbags, jewelries. I love her channel so much. I follow her for quite a while. And if you guys don't know, please check out her channel. Today we are going to do a top 5 recommendation for your first design handbags. You will pick 5 handbags from her collection and I will pick 5 from my collection. We don't know each other's picks, so we will see until we publish the video. I'm very curious to know what she picks because we have very similar tastes. Maybe we will pick the same handbag, so let's see. When we purchase the first design handbag, I'm sure you must be thinking very long time and planning very long. In here, just have little tips from my experience. When I come to the design handbag, I will think for the bag, the purpose of this handbag, how I use, and also I will think about practical, versatile functionality, and as well as longevity. The other thing you need to think about is the color. I also feel the first handbag maybe go to the neutral color. Now sometimes the pop-up color, it is very beautiful. However, neutral color, it can match your old outfit, and until you know later on then you want to purchase your second handbag, you can think about the other colors besides the neutral color. After you think about all the categories, it will narrow down your choice. So in here, the first that I recommended is Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in the bandolier. And the reason I pick up this is even though I know this one is already increased the price, and the reason I pick up this is I think this bag is very versatile. You can wear as a handhold, and also you can wear as a shoulder bag and a crossbody, and so this is the most versatile bag. I think also this is very practical because this bag you can use as a work bag, everyday bag, and as well as a travel bag. And sometimes if you go to the night out, this one also can use as a night out bag. It's very practical and versatile bag. And longevity, as you can see, this Louis Vuitton handbag, the bandolier, comes in 2011 until now. It's still going on, and I'm sure this is gonna be carried for good. This is the most iconic piece in the fashion house. The reason I picked the canvas because the canvas, the durability is much durable than the leather. Briefly talk about this feature is the canvas demi-ebbing. They also come with the monogram and the demi-azure, and for the Speedy bandolier also come with the 30, which is I think you also can pick up, think about as the first choice, because the Speedy 30, the only difference is a little bit bigger, and also however, the capacity is much bigger than the Speedy 25. So either one, whether it's the 25 or 30, you definitely can consider this is your choice. Inside is a big compartment that here has the zipper pocket, and you can put a little thing here, and the bottom doesn't have a feet. It comes with the removable strap. The strap you can make longer, you can make it shorter. Therefore, this is the first recommendation for your first purchase. However, if you are the person that don't like the canvas, you like the leather, I have another recommendation. That is the MOBB in the Epi leather. The reason I choose the Epi leather is because small structure. They do come the unbound leather recent years, and this one they also come with the removable strap. So if you don't like to handhold, you definitely can wear as a shoulder bag and as well as a crossbody. However, the strap is pretty long, so for myself, I normally don't use the strap, or if I use the strap, then I use the short strap wear as a shoulder bag. I have a lot of crossbody handbag. However, I actually not a crossbody person. I rather go for the shoulder bag, and I feel like a shoulder bag more fit my lifestyle. So this one also very versatile. Also, this is a very iconic handbag in the Louis Vuitton, and you definitely can consider this one as your another choice to purchase. And this one also very versatile. You actually can fit all your essentials. You can wear as a work bag, and as well as you can wear as an occasional bag. The size is so elegant, and when you dress up, hold this handbag, it immediately elevated your look. So this one is also very practical. It's a very classic pieces. So this is another classic iconic piece from the Louis Vuitton. You definitely can think about it. This is another recommendation from me. So the Louis Vuitton lover already have two choices. So what if you are not a Louis Vuitton lover, you are Chanel's lover? Chanel also have a lot of pieces, very classic, iconic, and however Chanel handbag, the price is really too high, and in order to get a Chanel handbag, I have another recommendation for you is Chanel Coco handle. This handbag can consider one of the cheapest in their fashion house, and however the style of the top handle always look elegant and classic. And you have to think when you purchase a Chanel handbag, even though I have a lot of Chanel handbag, but honestly I don't use them every day. And so for Chanel's handbag, you have to think you buy this bag, maybe purpose is just for occasional use. If you don't use everyday handbag, then you can consider buy the small one like this one. This is a mini size, now they call it, this is the small size. And you also can think of Chanel reissue mini, which is they have much better chain. I didn't bring out in this video. Instead I choose this one because I think one thing that I pick up between the Chanel reissue mini to the Chanel Coco, because the durability, and as you can see, this one is a caviar leather, it's a more durable. However, the Chanel reissue is the aged cow skinny. Maybe it's not durable than the caviar leather, and this one is very durable. So Chanel mini, this couple years they don't come with the caviar leather. You can wait until one day they come out the caviar leather, then you have another choice to pick up the Chanel mini rectangle or mini square, because you have to think about the durability. Right now the mini handbag, they come the lambskin, and I think it's too delicate, and you're so afraid to use to get a scratch or something. So from my recommendation for now, I choose this one. Now this one, the feature is a caviar leather with the gold hardware, and it comes with the strap. You can see is a removable strap. However, this is so the con of this handbag that you cannot wear. For the people that taller than me, I'm 5'2", I still can wear as a crossbody, but for the people taller than me, you will not feel very comfortable to wear as a crossbody. And inside is the fabric and the burgundy color, and the one compartment, and back there have another compartment, and the middle they have the middle pocket. Back there has the zipper pocket. Back has the pocket, bottom has the feet. And they do come other size, which is the bigger size. If you like to carry more stuff, then can choose the bigger size, little bit bigger than this one. This is the third recommendation from me. So now, if you are not a Louis Vuitton fan and not the Chanel fan, you are Dior fan, then you choose the most iconic and classic piece from Dior, that is the Lady Dior. Here is the one that I recommended. Now Lady Dior, they also come the small size with the ABC My Lady, and I also love their size. You can pick the medium size or you can pick the small size. The one I have is a medium size right now. A lot of people complain about this one because the zipper. The good thing right now that the medium size, they don't come with the zipper. They really hear people complain, so they improve what the people wanted. So they change the flap instead of the zipper, so which is much better. So highly recommended this one. This is a very iconic classic piece, and for the longevity, this is started 1995. The Princess Diana first carried this handbag out of the public, and later on the first lady from France, she also carried, and this bag becomes so popular until now. However, this one also have to think about it is the delicate, and this one because the lambskin and may easy to get a scratch, but for some reason I feel this one is a little bit durable than Chanel's lambskin. So feature like this also comes with the strap, which you can wear as a shoulder bag as well as the crossbody. Very quickly to share with the feature of this handbag, it's come like a lambskin, and the bottom has a V, and the back doesn't have a pocket. Inside is one big compartment. It comes with the removable strap. That strap is adjustable, which you can adjust the longer or shorter. And the back there also has the zipper pocket. I don't know if you can see. So this is basically a feature of this handbag. This is another piece that I highly recommend it. So the last piece that I recommended is the fashion house that are recently very popular, and the media influence and do the unboxing review, and I'm the one of them that is from the Saint Laurent YSL. Now Saint Laurent YSL, they also have many classic handbag, and the one I pick up is the Saint Laurent Lulu bag in the small size. Now don't follow me this one. This is the only one that Lulu bag I have it, and happen to be the red. So when you first purchase your design handbag, try to avoid the color unless you really like a certain color. Then follow your heart to get what you want. But for the first time, you can definitely pick up the black. Also, you can pick up the beige, you know, those neutral colors, and it's easily to match your outfit. And I also have a video to specific talk about this feature of this handbag and review of this handbag, so I will link the video below in the description box. The one I have is a small size. They do have the toy size, and which is like a mini size, and this is a small size. They also have a medium size, which is bigger, and I personally feel the small size is the best for everyday bag and as well as occasional bag, because it has many ways to wear. You can actually under your arm, and also you can wear crossbody, and also wear as a shoulder bag. So it's very versatile handbag, and it comes with a 100% cow skin. However, the skin is more durable than the lamb skin, and very structured, and you can see just like that. So I'm quickly to show you guys the feature of this handbag is the cow skin with the silver hardware. It comes with the chain. The chain is not removable, and the button close. Inside has a 2 compartment, 1 and 2, and the middle there have the middle zipper pocket, and back there have another pocket. Back doesn't have the pocket, bottom doesn't have a feet, which the bottom has the feet. It will be more structured. So basically this is the one that you can think about it. This is from the YSL Saint Laurent. I also highly recommend it. This is also my last recommendation for your first design handbag. So that's it. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys go to the Melinda's channel to check out her 5 picks now. Yeah, so I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.